Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert symbols in Excel cell or columns. Okay, so you can insert the row also. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let's start with the video. So here you can see I have the sample data. This is I want to delete this data now. Okay, and here in insert instant of number, I'm going to show you how to insert symbols. So in order to present your data or present your Excel in a very manner way, so you need all graphics knowledge to. So guys, you need graphic knowledge. So in symbols, there is a very when you insert the symbols in Excel or any presentation, so it's look like very professional. So let's start with the video. So here I'm going to show you how to insert or add symbols in the Excel cell or rows. So how to add symbols in the Excel. So just click where you want to add the symbols, and now you have to go in the insert, and here you can see the symbol option here. Click on it and you can see many this icon, this pop-up, like special character you need, you can find from here. Symbols you can find from here. Currency symbols, if you want subset, you can select subset like general function, Greek extension, combination, phonetic extension. There is a many format of symbols you can select from here. And here you can see there is a many symbols here. You can see here from, you can select from here also, Adobe and all, whatever Windows. So Windows, here I can see symbols here. So guys, if I go into the symbols, and if I currency, if I choose currency symbols, like there is a many option you can see currency symbols. And if I took the like currency symbol like this dinar and all, just insert, you can see is the symbol has been insert and closed down. Now you have to select other rows. You can select many rows, or you can copy the symbol, like just scroll down the like mouse, this scroll down. You can manage it, like you can take its middle. Okay, if you want to change color, you can change color also. Just go to the home and click on this. In font section, you can click on font columns, and here you can change colors from here. Okay, so that is how you can insert symbol in Excel. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for